Daltaí Ghaelchultúir started a little over 30 years ago, founded by a woman by the name of Ethel Brogan. She came to the States from Armagh in the north of Ireland. Um, Soon after she got here, she found herself teaching classes for some of her local friends and neighbors and got involved in groups that did that. And she saw how difficult it was for people to learn Irish just in the classroom. And she remembered from her own childhood how much benefit and enjoyment she got out of going to the Gaelchultúr every summer. So she couldn't duplicate that exactly, but she wanted to replicate it, as much of it as she could. So she started running immersion programs on weekends where the students would go away with their teachers and from Friday to Sunday do as much as they could in Irish and use it not just in classes but in a social setting as well. And it worked very well for her. It got more and more popular, so she added more weekends. Eventually, we added a full weekend, a week-long program that we do every summer. We have a special one-day program that we do down in the Philadelphia area. There's a whole range of things that we do, with immersion being the primary focus. We also have other things we do. We go to festivals to promote the language. We have a huge website on the internet at daltaí.com. But like I said, the focus is always on using the language in an immersion setting where it can be used socially, beyond just being academic. Technically, I'm the president, but it doesn't really give me any power. Everyone works for free. We're all volunteers. So pretty much everyone just works together, and I'm part of that team. Our next regular immersion weekend is in the middle of May in Esopus, New York. And for that program, everyone is invited, from total beginners to fluent and native speakers. And we do those, that's mostly what we do throughout the year at our programs. We do have a very special program, though, that we have now, which we jokingly call the Fania Wearer's Ball. Ethel noticed about 15 years ago or so that we'd gotten to the point where we had enough fluent or nearly fluent speakers that she wanted to do something special for that group of people. So we take the fluent and nearly fluent speakers to a place that's a seaside resort in the summer called Long Beach Island in the coast of New Jersey. It's a little less expensive in the spring, so we go there then, and the structure isn't as tight as it is on a regular weekend. We're a little more free with it. We still have classes and workshops, but we also have a Shomer Falcha at the local hotels where people can sit around in the evening and just have fun and sport in Irish. For the Saturday evening meal, we go out to a local restaurant. We have our own private room, do a session all by ourselves, and it's mostly just to enjoy the fact that people have made progress and can conduct the whole program in Irish, and we have a lot of fun with it.